Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to format your document in basic MLA format. To begin, the first thing you will want to do is to change the font and font size. To do this, click on the Home option in your Microsoft Word program. If you do not have Microsoft Word, you can always use your Microsoft 365 account, which is available to all students. If you are using an older version of Microsoft Word, your screen might look a bit different, but all of the same functions are there. Okay? So after clicking the Home button, I'm going to change the font to the appropriate font for MLA format. This will be Times New Roman font and 12 point. Next, what I want to do is change the paragraph spacing. To do this, I can use these shortcuts on my keyboard, or I can select the paragraph options here in paragraph settings. To format the paragraphs, select the line spacing, double, and ensure that the spacing before and after the paragraphs is set to 0. This will remove any extra space between the paragraphs, which makes it much easier to read. Okay. Next, what you will do is you will insert the MLA header. To do this, you will type your name on the first line. So we're going to use a general name to begin. Your instructor's name on the second line. The name of your class on the third line. And the date that you submit the assignment on the fourth line. I'm going to use today's date just for an example. For MLA format, type the date followed by the month and the year in that order. For the fifth line, you will want to select Home again, center the text, and type the title. The last thing that we will need to do to insert our MLA header is to insert page numbers. To do this, double-click at the top of your screen. This will open the header function in Microsoft Word. Next, click on Design or Format. I'm going to select page number, top of page, and this third option here. The third option inserts the page number on the right side of the screen, which is exactly where we want it. Next, type your last name once more. Now you might notice that this font is different than Times New Roman 12-point font. So we will highlight, select Home, change our font to Times New Roman 12-point font once again, and double-click anywhere on the page to close and save the header. The great part about using the page number option instead of simply typing the numbers in yourself is that the program will include the page number with each new page. So you can see here that on the second page it now says Smith 2. The last thing that we want to do is indent the first line of each new paragraph by pressing the Tab button once on your keyboard. This also helps with readability, and it ensures that the paragraphs are fully formatted. This provides you with a brief introduction to formatting your paper in MLA style using Microsoft Word. We will learn more about other aspects of this program